Hello and welcome back to the estate. Don't worry, I haven't gone completely mad. There is railway interest in this episode, but just note how nicely that 2-foot by 1-foot laundry basket fits in between the washing machine and the cupboard. It's very pleasing. So, I wanted to be able to use the railway to put out the laundry, and I used a plastic basket initially. Then I thought I could do better, modelled on a Talyllyn or Corris 3-bar wagon. So got to my sketchbook and thought up this. It uses some bobbins from Amazon and went together with some M6 threaded rod, bit of varnish, and Bob's your uncle. Some very functional and I think quite attractive laundry baskets. These are designed to fit on the RHT's standard tops wagons as another one of the removable bodies. You've seen the steel tubs in the compost episode, and the wooden flat tops for carrying anything from lawnmowers to the coupling castings you see there. So I hope you enjoy watching just how easy it is to put out the laundry, easy and enjoyable, if you have a little railway to help you with the task. As this was filmed back in April, I took the opportunity to pick a bit of spinach and use the railway to transport the heavy spoils back to the house at the end of the day. Note that when you use a horticultural tramway to assist in your putting out the laundry, you don't need to keep bending over to pick up the laundry basket and move it along a little bit and put it down again. It's very, very easy. I hope you've enjoyed this episode episode of Minimal Expectations, something a bit different. In the next episode we're going to return to the build series, and we're going to look at what was needed to get the railway right the way down to the back door of the house. It was not a simple task and involved quite a lot of structures, some of which, the start of which you can see here.